Hey there, George. This is Michael from Glorymaq. I've got some quick news. Your GM-V1380 Vertical Machining Center is just about ready to ship out.
Awesome, Michael. What makes your assembly process stand out?
Well, at Glorymaq, we are all about precision and quality, Our experienced crew personally check every single part to make sure it meets our high standard.
I'm really curious about that automatic tool change system. How's that work?
Good question, George. Our system is designed for speed and accuracy. We put it through rigorous testing to guarantee that you perform like a champ.
Sounds good. What can I expect when it arrives?
We will make sure to provide you with complete training and support, along with a detailed manual so you can get that baby up and running smoothly.
That's a relief to hear. I'm really looking forward to getting my hands on it.
We share your excitement, Mr. George. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. We are here to support you every step of the way.